Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Realty ONE Group contract, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by reviewing your Realty ONE Group contract thoroughly. Identify the specific terms regarding cancellation. Check for any notice period required for cancellation. Gather any necessary documents, such as your contract and any correspondence related to your agreement. Prepare a written notice expressing your intent to cancel the contract. Include your name, contact information, and the property address in the notice. Clearly state the date you wish the cancellation to take effect. Make sure to document the reason for cancellation if required. Review your notice for accuracy and professionalism. Decide whether to send your notice via email or traditional mail. If using email, send it to the appropriate Realty ONE Group representative. If mailing, consider using certified mail for proof of delivery. Keep a copy of your notice for your records. Follow up with the Realty ONE Group representative if you do not receive a confirmation of cancellation. Be prepared to discuss any final details regarding commissions or fees. Ensure all keys and relevant materials are returned if applicable. Keep an eye on your email or phone for any further communication. After confirming your cancellation, reflect on the experience and make notes for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.